to Music in a Minute. It's Francisco here from FineArtsMatter, and today I'll be showing you how to apply color stickers to your piano or keyboard using our printable Chromanotes sheet. Once you've printed off our Chromanotes sticker sheet, choose the size that best fits your piano or keyboard and cut off each letter individually. Now that you have your letters cut out, you're going to find the middle C. The C is the note right before the group of two black notes. Middle C is the C that's found in the middle of the piano, usually where the logo of the piano or keyboard is located. Using clear Scotch tape, paste a sticker for middle C. From there, paste your stickers in alphabetical order going to D, E, F, and G. Once you've reached the G, you will then place the A sticker on the following note and finish with B, and lastly, one more C. And that's it!